everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new storage rooms. Okay, this is going to be a storage room. Now, material for the corners, we're looking at iron. Okay, for the walls, chemical flooring. We got chemical cement for the wall. Also, you have a door here, obviously provided with keys, so you can easily lock and open up. There's a window on the front for this unit as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this exact one. For the length, we're looking at 235 inches, okay? 235. Now we're going to go ahead and measure the side here. For the side, we're looking at 92.5 inches. 92.5. And for the height, we're looking at a total of 112 inches. 112. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for this storage room. Okay, we already mentioned material has the door with the locks. Now we're going to go ahead and go inside and show you the inside and give you the measurements. Okay, guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the inside of this storage room. Okay, obviously we're going to start off with the flooring. It is chemical cement flooring. We got the walls that are going to be insulated. Got double layer on the ceiling as well. Okay, so that's all going to be insulated. Now I want to go ahead and measure the inside, give you the inside measurements. Starting with the white here, from one end to the other, we're going to be looking at a measurement of about 225. Okay, 225. Now from the window to the other side over here, we're looking at a measurement of 84 inches, 84. And the overall height for this storage room, we're looking at an overall height of 98 inches, 98. Okay, so that's the inside dimensions, inside measurement. Also want to go ahead and measure the window for you. Left to right, looking at 33 inches. From the top to the very bottom, or the bottom to the very top here, we're going to be looking at a measurement of about 44 inches, 44. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for the window, and we got your measurements for the inside. Okay, so that's demonstrating you storage room, storage container for the inside. Okay, guys, so this is a little demonstration for this storage room. Okay, now if you're interested in one of these storage rooms, you can go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this exact container room, okay, or size. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.